I saw you. I saw you. Don't worry, I'll lob you back in. But don't do this again. Stay in the bloody tree. Just lobbed that one back in. And what do I spot? One sitting in the branch over there. I think that one's been out there for 2 days. Here's the box in the tree. That's my garden. And they're over in the sheep field. There's one of them. You're wet, aren't you? I'll lob you back. There's another one sitting in the tree over there. But I don't mind that. It's when they land on the floor. And these ones might play with them.